The LUMIX GH7 delivers virtually everything that a solo shooter would ever need from a hybrid camera. At the core of this camera is a 25.2 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor with a couple of tricks up its sleeve. The sensor benefits from having the dynamic range boost mode through the full ISO range, giving you a stunning 13 plus stops of dynamic range, and it has the ability to shoot in high frame rates like 4K 120. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, the GH7 has the new phase hybrid autofocus system and advanced recognition technology that's going to give you the ability to shoot without the stress of missing a shot. It doesn't matter if you're filming people, animals, cars, motorcycles, trains, or even airplanes, this system has you covered. And we can't forget about the active image stabilization that LUMIX has always been known for. LUMIX has always been known for having spectacular in-body stabilization, and this body's no different. You're looking at 7.5 stops, so you could shoot handheld without a sweat. Video shooters are gonna love all the Pro Video Assist tools. This camera has the log view assist through HDMI and the monitor, anamorphic D-squeeze, and waveforms, just to name a few. This camera has one thing that no other camera on the market has, and that is 32-bit float recording when using the XLR2 mic adapter. Yes, you heard that right. And on top of that, you still have proxies and Frame IO integration like you do in the S5 IIX. The GH7 has the real-time LUT feature built in so you can burn in your LUTs into your footage, and pairing that with the LUMIX Lab app, you can deliver pictures and videos directly to your phone, so content creation has never been easier. The GH7 has a large array of codecs, but now you can internally record 5.7K 30p ProRes 422 HQ and ProRes RAW HQ. Pairing that with the ability to shoot into an SSD or a CF Express Type B card, you'll be getting the best quality image and flexibility possible. Flexibility and reliability can be found through this whole camera, from its tilt vary angle monitor, its unlimited recording time, time code in and out options, and its dust and splash resistance. The LUMIX GH7 also has the capability to record an RE Log C3 that is sold separately through a software upgrade key. This allows filmmakers to match RE cinema cameras by using the GH7 as a crash cam or a B cam. This camera will not only give you quality, but it will give you a streamlined workflow, but above all, it will give you peace of mind.